In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join Etsy sales events in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy runs platform-wide sales events that can boost your visibility, increase traffic, and drive more sales during high-demand periods. Now, if you want to join Etsy sales events, here's what to do. Start by logging into your account on Etsy and opening your shop manager. Next, go to the marketing section and click on Sales and Discounts. This is where Etsy shows active promotions and event opportunities. After that, look for a banner or notification about a current sales event. When Etsy is running an event, you'll usually see an invitation at the top of the page. Then, click on the event invitation and review the requirements. Most events require a minimum discount percentage to participate. Now, set up your offer. Choose the discount amount and select which listings you want to include in the event. You can apply the sale to all items or only specific products. Once everything is ready, review your setup and activate the sale. Your listings will then be included in the Etsy-wide event. Also, make sure your listings are optimized before the event starts. Use strong photos, clear titles, and competitive pricing to maximize results. Keep in mind that Etsy sales events, especially during holidays, can significantly increase exposure and conversions. That's it. By joining Etsy sales events and setting up the right discounts, you can take advantage of extra traffic and grow your shop faster.